Hey guys, Narwhal here with ya, and today I'm doing an updated version of how to override your hair in Roblox, not RHS, because the reason I'm doing this is most people have been saying in the comments of that video that I made a year ago, it's blurry and they don't understand. It's too blurry for them to understand what to do. So I'm making a updated version on a easier way to do it and with a different screen recorder so it's not blurry. So the first step is, of course, to click these three lines and go to your avatar. Then what you're going to want to do is, of course, go to your hair. As you can see, I'm only wearing one hair right here, and that's the cotton candy hair. So this will work for every hair. But the code will not always be the same, of course, because then, then it would be confusing on what hair it would pick to override. So let's say it doesn't have to be, so this doesn't have to be the same hair as I'm picking, but you could pick whatever hair you want. But so let's say stupid thing. So let's say that you want to override your hair with beautiful hair for beautiful people. There in the thing up here, right here, as you can see, there's going to be after catalog, there's going to be a code, and you're going to want to highlight that code. And to copy and paste, you're going to want to press Ctrl+C, and then it's copied, and then you're going to want to go back to avatar, back to hair, and you're going to now go to the very bottom of your hair list, and you're going to want to click advanced right here. And as you can see, there are many codes here. So now if you want to paste what the code you just highlighted, you're going to want to press Ctrl+V. And then the code should be in the thing. Then, of course, you're just going to press save. And are you sure you want to override your current look? And you're going to say save. And then, if it worked, it would say saved accessories. And then, as you can see, there's more than one hair on me right now. So that's really it I have for you guys today. Tell me if there are any problems with this tutorial and if you need anything. Or if something doesn't work, just tell me in the comments, because I'll be willing to try and help you. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll see you guys all next time. Bye!